Ready for some AI magic? In the next 24 seconds, watch a chubby orange tabby slurp ramen like a pro. Every droplet and purr crafted in Google Flow and rendered with VEO3 at true 4K. Stick around because right after this teaser, I'll show you exactly how to build scenes just like it, step by step. First, we'll let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting. Open the VEO Prompt Enhancer. Link is waiting for you in the description. This GPT is pre-tuned to spit out ultra-detailed cinematic prompts perfectly formatted for VEO3. Simply type the scene that's living in your head. I'll paste my idea. Then hit enter. Boom, instant movie blueprint. Notice it includes every beat, camera angles, sound design, steam cues, everything VEO3 needs. The enhancer even asks if you'd like a JSON version. Click yes, and it converts the exact same prompt into machine-readable JSON. That's the file VEO3 digests to render frames. Copy that JSON to your clipboard. We'll paste it into VEO in just a moment. Pro tip, the prompt enhancer runs on ChatGPT 4.0, but if you're a Plus subscriber, you can switch the model to O3. In my tests, O3 adds even richer micro details, perfect for food close-ups. Step 2. 2 ways to render in VEO3. If you're on the Google AI Pro plan, about $20 a month, the Gemini app unlocks a tiny video button down here. Paste your prompt, and Gemini fires a single 8 seconds video clip. We'll use Google Flow. Flow gives you a scene builder, project folders, and granular control over every render. Paste the JSON we just copied from ChatGPT. Next, choose your video model. VEO3 Fast costs 20 credits. VEO2 Fast is 10, cheaper but no AI voice. VEO3 Quality is 100 credits if you need film festival quality. Tell Flow how many versions you want. Remember, credits multiply. 3 versions on VEO3 Fast equals 60 credits. Hit Generate and let the servers cook. Step 4. Scene Builder and Frames to Videos. Our first clip is in and the quality looks chef's kiss good. Click Add to Scene and Flow drops it straight into the Scene Builder. Scene Builder is your storyboard. Drag clips to rearrange them or remove a video. To keep the look consistent across multiple scenes, grab a reference frame. I'm saving the last frame of this clip as an image asset. Flow's Frames to Videos turns any still into a motion template. Drop your reference frame here, and Flow will maintain the same palette, lighting, and camera angle in the next render. You can also generate a mock frame with a text prompt first, perfect when you want to preview a scene before burning video credits. I'll cover that trick in a dedicated video later in this Google Flow series. As you can see, it has created an image from the last scene. We're back inside the VEO Prompt Enhancer. When I requested a second scene a moment ago, the GPT replied, "Great, what's your next idea?" That's perfectly normal. It needs new context each time. So let's be explicit. We want the next 8-second segment that follows our existing characters. The enhancer initially generated a tabby cat cozy nap scene, but we actually need the cat to keep eating ramen. This means we must give very specific instructions, and a little trial and error is expected. We'll ask ChatGPT again, this time clearly stating that the cat should continue slurping noodles to get the exact prompt we need. Next, the enhancer will produce a detailed prompt. Read through it carefully, make sure it's exactly what you want, and only then request the JSON version. Let's jump back into Google Flow, paste our new prompt, and spin up Scene 2. Are you enjoying the walkthrough so far? Drop any questions in the comments, and I'll do my best to help you nail your own AI video masterpiece. Now paste the text to video prompt for Scene 2 into the Flow input box and click Generate. After a brief render, the second clip appears, and the lighting, camera angle, and overall mood line up perfectly with Scene 1, giving us flawless continuity in the story. Next, repeat the workflow for Video 3, save the final frame of Scene 2 as an asset, add it to Frames to Video to keep the look consistent. Then use the VEO Prompt Enhancer in ChatGPT to generate the JSON for Scene 3. After Scene 3 finishes rendering, combine the 3 clips into one file, download it, and play it in full screen to review the final video. Now I'll click download. Flow will take a few seconds to package the file. Once it's ready, save it to your desktop. Next week, we'll dive deeper into Google Flow and show you how to create high-converting ad videos. Ask ChatGPT.
Hey there, party people! Subscribe to Mr. Prompt for wild videos, awesome tutorials, and surprises you won't believe.